Hi, good morning, everyone. Gonna get started with day three. Very excited about what we're doing today. I'm very happy that I've been having people text me on Remind. People have been messaging me. Keep doing that. I love having responses. I love being able to help you all, okay? Gonna go over this one problem from their quiz yesterday. Everybody did terrific on that quiz, and it's only this one problem that I saw a good amount of us missing out. No worries. But let's get started. All right. So distribution and combined like terms, I've already talked about that. We got to do the distribution first. A lot of us in the discussion put some great things saying we got to share out that number. We got to share amongst whatever's in the parentheses. That's great. Just don't forget that it's multiplying, okay? Out of this whole problem, who am I using to share? Who am I using to do that multiplication? Hopefully you remember that it's a number in front of this parentheses. I'm going to circle it to make it a little bit easier on myself. Gonna do some little arrows to show that I'm multiplying. Got 3 times a negative 2b. Use your calculator, do some Google research, whatever you got to do. 3 times negative 2 does give me negative 6b. After that, I got 3 times a negative 10. Why is it negative 10? Sir, that's a minus sign. Don't forget, whatever the sign's in front of the number, that's what gives it the positive or the negative. So I got 3 times a negative 10 gives me negative 30. Sir, do I keep multiplying to these other numbers? Please don't forget that this parenthesis is telling you to stop. You do not need to keep multiplying. Just leave those alone. And since they're by themselves, I can actually just drop them, bring them down. I got minus 10b plus a 10. All right, all right, all right. Now we get to do some combining like terms. We're adding the same partners. Pretty good stuff. All right. Who should I add to negative 6b? Think for a second, pause the video, and make sure you know who else has that b. Is it negative 30? Is it negative 10b? Or is it positive 10? Think about it real quick. Whoever has that b is the person I'm adding to negative 6. If you got this right, boom, give yourself a little pat on the back. Why am I adding those two? Because they both have the b. Let's put that together. I got negative 6b plus negative 10b. Sir, why am I doing this negative? Because that minus sign makes that number negative. Please don't forget that. Add those together in your calculator. Got negative 6b plus negative 10, negative 16b. Remember, if I'm going a little too fast, don't hesitate to rewind it, double check. This is a great part about having a video for this. You get to re-look and re-look and re-look, which is a perfect thing for us to keep learning. Last two parts, I got negative 30. Who do I add to negative 30? The only other number that's there, positive 10. Got negative 30 plus 10. Real quick calculator. If you could do this in your head, great. It's okay if you can't. I love using the calculator. Negative 30 plus 10 gives me negative 20. Putting my full answer together, top then second, I got negative 16b plus negative 20. Don't forget, this is not my final answer. I mentioned this in yesterday's video. I see a plus negative right here. I don't have to leave it like that. Let's make it brand new. Got negative 16b. Just take away this plus. Now I got minus 20. And there's my answer. Good stuff, ladies and gentlemen. Right now I'm going to put another video up. It's going to be our last part of distribution and combining like terms.